In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Instagram account on Whop. This is a quick process, and once you know where to look, it's very straightforward. The goal here is to connect your Instagram account through your Whop settings so it can be verified properly. I'll walk you through each part clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is your starting point, and from here, you'll be able to access your account controls. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into the correct Whop account before continuing, since the verification needs to be done from the profile you actually want to use. Once you're on the Whop homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This will open the account menu where your personal options and account tools are located. If you don't immediately see it, just check the upper right area carefully, since that's where profile access is typically placed. After opening your profile menu, click the settings icon. This is the area where you manage your account preferences, connected platforms, and other important account details. Taking this route is important because Instagram verification on Whop is handled through your settings rather than directly from the homepage. Inside settings, find and click on connected accounts. This section is where Whop lets you link external platforms to your account. If you use multiple social platforms, this page may also show other connection options, but for this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on Instagram. Once you're in connected accounts, look for the option to add Instagram and click on Add on Instagram. This is the step that begins the connection process between your Instagram account and your Whop account. From here, Whop will guide you through the authorization flow needed to verify and connect the account. As you go through this part, make sure you're signing into the correct Instagram profile, especially if you manage more than one account. It's also a good idea to review any permissions shown on screen before approving them, so you understand what access is being requested. And that's it. By going to the Whop homepage, opening your profile, accessing settings, selecting connected accounts, and choosing to add Instagram, you'll be in the right place to verify your Instagram account on Whop. If you're following along in real time, take it one screen at a time and double check each selection before moving forward. That will help make sure everything connects smoothly.